Welcome to Chandu's Kitchen. Hi viewers, let us see how to prepare mango custard with 5 simple steps. Let's get started. Check description box for detailed information. Ingredients: sugar, dry fruits, milk, custard powder, mango pulp. Take 2 spoons of custard powder. Let us add little milk to custard powder. Keep whisking it until it completely dissolves. Make sure there is no lumps. Now let us switch on the stove. Pour about 250 ml of whole fat cow's milk. Heat the milk until it starts boiling. Now make sure you reduce the flame to simmer and add the dissolved custard powder to the boiling milk. While adding the mixture of custard powder, keep on stirring the milk without allowing the custard powder mixture to settle at the bottom. Next, add 6 tablespoons of sugar and keep on stirring and cook it for 5 minutes at low flame until the milk thickens. Well, let's check the consistency. This is the perfect consistency. Now you can switch off the stove. Let us transfer to a bowl and allow it to cool down at room temperature. Once the custard cools down, add the mango pulp to the custard. Add them all. And keep whisking it until it mixes well. It tastes delicious when served chilled, along with by adding some extra mango cubes and dry fruits. Now let us chill the mango custard in refrigerator for an hour. After an hour, now our mango custard delight is ready. Hope you try this recipe. It's simple and easy. Also like this video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thanks for watching and check out my other videos.